Assalamu alaikum and welcome to our Arabic class. Today we will be sharing with you tips on how to navigate your way around هذا. If you want to say this in Arabic language, the word for this is هذا. هذا. Say it once again. Good. هذا simply means this. And if you want to say this is a pen, the word for pen in Arabic is qalamun. Say it out loud. Qalamun. Again. Excellent. When you bring hada and qalamun together, it gives you this is a pen. You say hada qalamun. This is a pen. Say it out loud. Hada qalamun. Again. Hada qalamun. Meaning this is a pen. And when you want to say this is a book in Arabic language, the word for book is kitabun. Say it out loud. Kitabun. Once again, great job. So when you want to say this is a book in Arabic, you simply say هذا kitabun. This is a book. In Arabic, if you want to point at something and say this is a particular thing, all you have to do is look for the name of that thing in Arabic and say هذا, that particular thing. If I ask somebody, the person tell me a house is called Baitun in Arabic language, then all I need to do is just to put هذا before the Baitun and say هذا Baitun. Say it once again. هذا Baitun. Say it yourself. Good. Excellent. What if I want to ask what is this in Arabic language? All you have to do is to put ma before hada. The word for what in Arabic language is ma. Repeat after me. Ma. Say it out loud. Ma. Just point at it and say ma hada. What is this? And the person will definitely tell you the name. We say hada qalamun if it's a pen. This is a pen and the likes. The right thing to do when you are in doubt of what you think you know is to introduce Alif Hamza, the letter A at the beginning of your sentence by saying Ahadha qalamun. Ahadha qalamun. Is this a pen? Repeat it once again. MashaAllah. So this says Ahadha qalamun. Is this a pen? If yes, then you say Naam. Yes. Hadha qalamun. Naam is the word for yes. So you say Naam. Hadha qalamun. This is a pen. Naam. Hadha qalamun. This is a pen. And if it's not a pen, you say La. No. Hadha kitabun. This is a book. La simply means no. La hadha kitabun. No, this is a book. Repeat it once again. And if you are doubting if something is a book, you ask by saying, Ahadha kitabun? Is this a book? Ahadha kitabun. Say it out loud. Nah, mashallah. And if it is a book, then you will be answered, Naam. Hadha kitabun. Yes, this is a book. Repeat out loud. MashaAllah. Excellent. Naam is the word for yes in Arabic language. And if you are asked, Ahadha qalamun? Is this a pen? While it's not a pen, you only then you answered, La hadha kitabun. No, this is a book. La is the word for no in Arabic language. La هذا kitabun. This means no, this is a book. Please subscribe to our channel and like the video. Your like will encourage us to do more. Thanks. God bless you.